Okay guys, this is not good. This is my dead Husqvarna HC5, and well, it's not completely dead, but it's got a major issue. And for forever I was thinking it was something to do with the shifting. And in fact, if you look at some of my first videos of this bike, I complained about the shifting and that it didn't seem like it was catching the gear. Well, I took it to the dealer. They made an adjustment. I even took it out in the parking lot and just rode it real quick. Didn't put a lot of pressure on the pedals, and so it seemed fine. The problem is when you have the motor on and you're in the highest gear, or actually, yeah, the highest gear, and you're putting pedal pressure on it, it'll act like it's trying to jump out of gear. And I kept thinking it was the derailleur or something in the shifting. It's not. It's coming from the motor. So there's an issue with this. I've seen some forums where it said, if you got this problem, it's basically a new motor. And I hope it's not that. I'm not going to jump to that conclusion. I ruled out the shifting. I ruled out that it's a problem with the shifting. And I'll demonstrate it. I'll take you through it and show you and demonstrate this problem. Again, I don't want to say it's a Husqvarna problem. I believe it's probably a Shimano problem. But again, I can't jump to conclusions. This thing's going to the dealer tomorrow, and they're gonna have to fix it. It's, you know, it's horrible. So hopefully it doesn't ruin an upcoming trip that I got planned, but we'll see. But let me demonstrate this problem to you guys so you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to demonstrate the problem here. And right now the motor is off completely. And I'm just going to pedal it. It's in the highest gear, right? I'm going to pedal it, and I'm going to go through the gears a little bit and shift it a couple times, and you won't hear any issues. Shifting, going back up, putting a lot of torque on it right here. All right, I'm going to turn the motor on. Turn the motor on, and I'm going to keep it off, in the off position. So right now it's off. I'm going to go through the gears and shift it up. No big issues. Little adjustment there probably. Shifting out, no problem. Top gear, and no problem. Now I'm going to put power on. I'm going to go to first mode. I'm in eco. There you go. Okay, there it is. I mean, it consistently does it only in that top gear, and only when there's power on. It does it. So that's the issue. And it's going back to the dealer. Again, I don't know, something's slipping in there, but I have no idea what it is. So let's get it into the dealer and see what they say. If anybody knows what this issue might be, I'd love to know. But my wife has an HC4, and I tried to do the exact same test on her bike, and I could not replicate the test. It's only on this bike. So there is a problem. Anyway, let me know if you guys know. I'd love to know what the problem is, if I can avoid going to the dealer, but it's going tomorrow.